to a fall day here in Happy Valley, Oregon. As you can see, the fog's doing really good, and I'm looking forward for a nice drive over to Northwest. We're in Southeast, so we're going on a nice long drive. Yes, this looks quite ghostly. We are recording in 1080p here, and I've got the camera turned around. It looks very close in the monitor, so hopefully it's not that close. But any other 1080p works fine. And yesterday when I was trying out the 2K, 2.7K, the image on playback, the audio was fine, but the image was very skippy, missing frames like crazy, so I don't know what that's about. Hope you guys are all doing alright out there on YouTube. Now, one thing about this camera is when it's hanging upside down, I'm using the dash cam, it automatically inverts the image so it looks the right way up. And here we are, we're coming to the on-ramp of the Fremont Bridge. So now the sun's shining through, we might be getting some real nice footage here. Looking through the window from this bakery. Okay, it's about 10 to 11, waiting for Daniel to show up. This might be him here, I'm not sure. It's been a lot of years since I've seen him. I assume he's going to look exactly the same as he did when we were in our 20s, but I'm sure he doesn't. Well, that was much fun. Well, here we are, run down Northwest Portland, Nob Hill Bar and Grill to our right. I remember playing there with Harry and Mulligan. What a farce that was. I'm gonna go on me rant now about this camera. So I got this camera a few weeks ago, and it claimed to have 2.7K video and image stabilization. Well, surprisingly enough, it didn't. But then again, the camera was $15, so you know, I can't really expect that. But the seller claimed that it had image stabilization, 2.7K video and 1080 HD video, which it does not have either of those. I will say that the 2.7K video might be 720 or 480. It's not in the ballpark of UHD, but that's how it goes. Coming on to the Ross Island Bridge. Fantastic. We're going to go this way. We'll meet up on Tacoma. Well, okay, and now back to the story. So it turns out that the video was not as the seller had stated. I wrote to the seller and said, you know, what can we do about this problem? Is there something we can do? And they did not reply. As I bought the camera through AliExpress, I contacted them. They're always really nice people. So they contacted the seller, and the seller put up a return label so I can return the product. And that was all fine, but when I went to download the label, it turns out that first of all the label wouldn't download, so I had to do a copy of the label. When I looked at the copy, it says it returns to Russia. Well, the United States does not send parcels to Russia, and the returner's address was not my name, it was somewhere in Latvia. So I contacted Ali again. That's a problem. Get our special team onto that, which I thought, great magic. So they got their special team on, and they says, okay, what you do is you just cancel your return order, then reapply for a return. So I did that. About 3 times over about 3 weeks, and nothing seemed to change. They still kept using that same incorrect label, which was a pain in the... But anyhow, I could not send the product back because I could not return the parcel to Russia, because Russia wasn't the return address actually. Anyhow, after several weeks of going on and off, the special team did come up with a solution, and they finally got the right label, which I had printed out yesterday, and I'm about ready to send it off. And I just wanted to use it one last time to let you guys know what a $15 camera looks like. It's not too bad. Yesterday I tried it. The 1080 works fine. It's not great, but it works. But the Ultra HD, the 2.7 recording, is very juddery, and it also seems like it's missing a lot of clips. It misses, it keeps missing, and the audio is fine. The audio is just really good, but the video keeps stuttering and stopping and all this kind of stuff. And it might have something to do with the fact that it's recording in AVI. And just to let you know that AliExpress I've done a lot of business with them, and this is the first time I've had this kind of problem that dragged on for weeks. I mean, I was almost at the point of just keep the camera. It's only $15 camera, but you know what? How many cameras do you need? So luckily AliExpress came through, and there are people, you know, slag them and stuff, but I think they're a good company. Anyhow, that was just me whining, and thank you for listening. I just want you to be aware that sometimes things happen and it goes beyond your control, or my control, should I say. And there we are looking through the green filter. Isn't that wonderful?